You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.